Hello everybody. I think I've had a falcon attack because there's 7 there, but I've let 14 out, so they've split. Look at them way up there. Look at them beauties. Been up since 12. It's now 5:15. Lost them now. There they are. Yeah, went out at 12. Alex, the pigeon man, was here. He helped me liberate at 12. And now I've got to send him a video to show that there's some still flying. I don't know where the others are. They're up there somewhere. Look at them. They've been in all week. Spoke to somebody the other day, spoke to Darren. Told him, yeah, they're going out on Saturday. Oh, they're wrong, Sunday, because they've been in all week. And there they are. Hopefully going to drop these about 10 o'clock tonight in the dark. I know it's darker later on, but 10 o'clock's bedtime for me, so I'll have to drop these at 10. Hopefully they'll all be together by then, because like I said, there's another 7 somewhere up there. Look at them, in the pins. Now I've lost them. Right. There they are. Yeah, there's 2 kits up there now. 2 groups rather. So God knows where them other ones were. But there you go. There's all of them. They may have been the ones I was just filming. 7 there. And then there's the other 7 there. He says, where are they? There. How about that then? Don't know why they split, but at least all 14 are there. Yeah. Let's hope they regroup and go back up again.